Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn Mathematics 2, chapter number 5, Coordinate Geometry. So before I start 5.1, this exercise is based on distance formula. So the distance formula is what? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. You all can see over here. And coordinate of origin are 0 and comma 0. So distance formula is what? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So let's begin with 5.1. Question number 1. Find the distance between each of the following pairs of points. First one, A coordinate is 2, 3, B coordinate is 4 and 1. So A equals 2, 3 equals x1, y1, B, x2, y2. So distance formula is what? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square. So 2 square plus minus 2 square. So root 4 plus 4 will give you 8. So square root of 8 is 2 root 2 units. Question number 1, sum number 6. W coordinate is minus 7 upon 2, 4 and x coordinate is 11, 4. So W equals x1, y1, x2, y2. So the distance formula is x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 11 minus 7 upon 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 4 the whole square. So LCM is 2. So 22 plus 7 whole square plus 0. So 29 upon 2 the whole square. So taking square root 29 upon 2 units. Question number 2. Determine whether the points are collinear. So sum number 1. A, B, C, the coordinate has been given. A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, C, x3, y3. So slope of line AB. We'll take AB. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So y2 is minus 5 minus 3 upon 2 minus 1. So minus 5 plus 3 upon 1 will give you minus 2. Equation number 1. Next, slope of line BC. y3 greater minus smaller. So y3 minus y2, x3 minus x2. 7 minus 5 upon minus 4 minus 2. So it will give you minus 12 upon 6 minus 2. So from 1 and 2 we can say that slope of line AB equals slope of line BC. So we can say that line AB and line BC have equal slopes and have a common point B. So point ABC are collinear. Question number 2, sub question 3. RDS coordinate has been given. So R03 equals x1, y1, D21 equals x2, y2, S3 minus 1 equals x3, y3. Then slope of line RD greater minus smaller. So y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So will give you 1 minus 3 upon 2 minus 0. So minus 2 upon 2 will give you minus 1. Statement number 1, equation number 1. Next, slope of line DS. So greater is what? y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x2. So will give you minus 1 upon 3 minus 2. So minus 2 upon 1 equals minus 2. So you all can see from 1 and 2 we can say that slope of line RD is not equal to slope of line DS from 1 and 2. Therefore points R, D and S are not collinear. Sum number 4. Verify that points P minus 2, 2, Q, 2, 2 and R 2, 7 the vertex of a right angle triangle. So I have written over here P, x1, y1, Q, x2, y2, R, x3, y3 are the vertices of a triangle. So using distance formula, distance PQ equals 2 minus 2 the whole square plus 2 minus 2 the whole square. That means x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So 4 square 16. 16 square root is what? 4. Same way for QR, same way 5 square 25, so root of 25 is what? 5. For PR we are getting 41, so PR square equals 41, taking square root, PR square equals 41, so PQ square plus QR square equals 4 square plus 5 square, 16 plus 25 will give you 41. So PR is 41 and PQ square plus QR square equals 41. So from 1 and 2 we can say that PR square equals PQ square plus QR square, means hypotenuse square equals one side square plus other side square. So therefore triangle PQRS is a right angle triangle by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Sum number 7. Find x if distance between point L, x, 7 and M 1, 15 is 10. So L, x, 7 and M 1, 15 distance is 10. So by distance formula, distance LM equals x minus 1 the whole square plus 7 minus 15 the whole square. Distance LM is 10. So squaring on both the sides, so 100 equals x minus 1, root will get cancelled, the whole square plus 8 square is 64. So 100 minus 64 equals x minus 1 the whole square, so x minus 1 the whole square equals 36. So x minus 1 equals plus minus 6, taking square root. Root of 36 is 6. So x minus 1 is 6, or else x minus 1 equals minus 6. So x equals 7, x equals minus 5. So the value of x is 7, or else x equals minus 5. With that, 5.1 has been completed. Thank you.